we have it. Back boleo, forward boleo. Get close, elevate, right? And then you're gonna hold the leg tight, right?
Maybe that should be the first exercise. To hold the leg tight.
That's how to drag your wig.
Yeah. You got to drag the victim.
Maybe
That's
the
what they
first
say.
exercise just to grab the leg and grab the neck. That's the first exercise.
So you went there, right? Boleo, boleo, boleo. Close, leg up, hold. Hey, it's a ripping, bailero. There, pop.
You can be here if you want to be more secure, or here tight.
Just right there. Just keep it on the side. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Well, for me, I don't care. But whatever is comfortable. If you put in the back, put in the back. They're gonna squeeze the guy. Gonna walk.
Okay,
Right?
so on the side.
Yeah. So there, and these hands very tight. These hands very tight. Right? Not squeezing, but just holding tight. Right? That way, don't pull. And let you look as a follower. Don't pull with your arms. You are a dead body. So let it be drag. Yeah, there, right? Listen now. If you go here, right? Just when you prepare the movement, right? Look, do the boleo here, and then you go close, right? Entonces, si elevate, and then you drag in the line of dancing, right? Don't bring the foot toward him. Let him walk you back. Put the foot down, and from here, no, whatever, we walk.
It can be anything, backcoach again or whatever.
Whatever, you just walk out. Yeah, but see, try to organize that you are here. Because when you receive the movement, put yourself in this direction to walk, right? In the line of dancing, not against the line of dancing. Other way, you're gonna be in trouble. Yeah? Can we try? Last one, come on. Take it back.